Hello students, welcome to General Academy. Today we are going to start exercise 6 of Kesinag Mathematics. Let me give you a warning that now the actual mathematics is being started. So just be very careful, just try to clear up your concept, and anywhere if you have any doubt, don't just compromise with it. Just make it clear. Just have a clear idea. Okay? Understand the maths, read the question, try to know what the actual question is asked. Okay? So let us start question number. Sorry, we are not solving now from the exercise 6, but we are solving from the examples of exercise 6. Actually, if you solve example, there are many benefit of it. You will know that we will know that what kind of questions are there in the exercise, and not only that, you will have a clear idea about the exercise also. Okay, the question is Ram and Hari together have rupees 88, Hari and Jadu rupees 82, and Ram and Jadu has rupees 102. Find how much each has. Okay, so what happened? Ram and Hari have is equal to rupees 88. Hari and Jadu have rupees 82. Ram and Jadu have rupees 102. Now, how much total they have? Here, this is Ram 2 times Ram, Hari 2 times Hari, Jadu 2 times Jadu. That means both are 2 times. Now, the total here is rupees 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Carry over 1. 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 8, 17. Carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Sorry. Now, as 3 of them are mentioned 2 times here, that means 2 into Ram, Hari and Jadu have. Okay, or Ram Hari and Jadu have altogether how much? Rupees 272 divided by 2 is equal to, so 272 divided by 2 gives you 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6, carry over 1, 6 twos are 12, rupees 136. Okay, next. That means individually Ram, Hari and Jadu all together have 136. Now, how much this Ram and Hari have? That is 82. Now, out of 136, if Ram and Hari have rupees 88, then the remaining part from 136 is belong to Jadu. Therefore, or in the other way, what Hari and Jadu have all together, if you subtract this number from 136, then Ram has the other part. That means Ram has is equal to total, their total money, which is rupees 136 minus rupees what Hari and Jadu have, that is rupees 82, is equal to how much it is, that is 136 minus 82. This is 4, this is 5. That means rupees 54. Sorry. Rupees 54 Ram has. Okay. Now Hari has how much rupees? From total rupees 136 minus Ram and Jadu has 102, rupees 102 is equal to rupees 102 is subtracted from 136, that is 4, this is 3, that means rupees 34. And Jadu has how much? Rupees 136 minus Ram and Hari rupees 82, sorry 88, that means 88 is equal to rupees 136 and 82. This is 4, this is 5, sorry this is 88, 6, 88, 16, 8, 9, 4, rupees 48. Okay, so this is the answer. This much money each has. Okay, next. Question number 2. example 2, which says divide 360 316 mangoes among A, B and C so that A may get 8 mangoes more than B and B may get 5 mangoes less than C. Is it the question? Divide 316 mangoes among A, B and C so that A may get 8 mangoes more than B and B may get 5 mangoes less than C. Okay. Total mangoes is equal to 316. Now we have to distribute this among A, B and C in such a way that A may get 8 mangoes more than B. Okay, 8 mangoes more than B and B may get 5 mangoes less than C. Okay, now 8 plus 5, these 13 mangoes are extra. So remaining mangoes, that is total 316 minus 13. Why minus 13? That is that 8 mangoes and 5 mangoes we will calculate it later. From 316, this 8 plus 5, 13 mangoes are excluded now. We will keep them away. That is now total 300 303 mangoes are there, and these mangoes has to be distributed among A, B, C equally. Now at present A, B and C will get mangoes is equal to 303 divided by 3 is equal to 303 divided by 3 is 3130031 101. Now finally this has to be distributed equally, but now it says A gets whatever everyone gets, A will get 8 more mangoes, that is 109 mangoes, and B gets 101 mangoes, C gets 101 plus 5 is equal to 106 mangoes. Okay, now it says A gets 8 more mangoes than B and C gets 5 more mangoes than B, or B gets 5 less mangoes than C. The actual answer is same as per the question. Okay, so it is little bit twisted, so be very careful to try to understand. Okay, next example 3, which says divide rupees 804 among A, B and C so that B gets twice and C thrice as much as A. Okay, total amount is equal to rupees 804. Oh, okay, total amount 804. Now there has to be 3 share, A, B and C. A gets 1 share, then B gets twice of A and C gets thrice of A. Now total share is 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Now the 6 has to be divided from 804. Now each share is equal to 804 divided by 6, and this gives you the quotient. This is divisor, this is dividend. Now 6 ones are 6, 2, 0, 3 6 are 18, 2, 4, 4 6 are 24, 134. This is here. Now A share 1, that is 134 into 1, that is rupees 134. B share is whatever 134 or A share into 2, that is rupees 268, and C share is 134 into 3, that is rupees 12402. This is the answer. Now as total amount was 804, now if you add these three amounts it will make 1804. Okay, so you just check it whether after the addition whether you get rupees 804 or not. Okay, this is for your homework. So always check and verify your answer. Next example 3, example 4. A man spent rupees 2250 per month for 7 months, okay, and made some savings. Very good. Thereafter he began to spend rupees 2610 per month. At the end of a year he had no savings. Find his monthly income. Okay, very interesting sum. A man spent for 7 months plus spent for 5 months is equal to what he spent for 12 months, isn't it? So first he spent for 7 months, then for 5 months, then his actual spent on 12 months. Okay. Now he spent his total spent in 1 year or 12 months is equal to 2250 into 7 months plus 2610 into 5 months, isn't it? First 7 months he spent this much, and last 5 months he spent this much. So altogether this is 700, 7 5s are 35, carry over 3, 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17, carry over 1, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15 plus 500, 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30, carry over 3, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13 is equal to now 15750, and this is 13050, 0 5 5 10, carry over 1, 7 plus 1 8, 5 plus 3 8, 1 plus 1 2. Now it is 28800. Now at the end of a year, that means after 12 months, he had no savings. That means what he spent, he earned that much. That's why he had no savings. Now find his monthly income. Now this is what he spent in a year. That means this much he earned in a year. So for 12 months, he earned rupees 28,800. Now for 1 month, he earned rupees 28,800 divided by 12. So 1 month what he earned, that is his monthly income, is equal to, now just we will divide this as we have learned, that by factor 2 6 2 3. Now this 28,800 first divided by 2, so 2 1 4 4 0 0, again 2 2 7 2 0 0. Now with 3 3 2s are 7, carry over 1, 3 4s are 12, 0 0. This is rupees 2,400 is monthly income. This is the answer. Okay, who doesn't know this method, please go back and watch my previous video about exercise 5. You will come to know about this method. Actually, mathematics is a step by step process. It is very logic. There is a logic behind every sums. Okay, so just try to achieve that logic and you will come to know everything. Now example 5, which says if a certain number is multiplied by 5 and 7 is added, okay, to the product and the sum is divided by 3, then 3 be subtracted from the quotient, the result is 11. Find the number. Okay, read it very carefully. A number, we don't know what number it is. The number is multiplied by 5 and then 7 is added to the product and the sum is divided by 3, then 3 be subtracted from the quotient. The result is 11. Now what happened? Now we will go to the backwards to get the actual answer. We will start from here. Now actually the result is 11. Okay, the result is 11. 3 be subtracted from the quotient and the result is 11. They said that 3 is subtracted from a number and that number became 11. That means what was the number? The number was 14. Only from 14 if you subtract 3 you will get 11, isn't it? So 11 plus 3, that is 14 we got. Now the sum is divided by 3 and then we got 14. That means we have to multiply 3 with 14 to get that number. As we are going backwards, whatever they are saying, we will do the opposite only. Now the sum is divided by 3, but we multiplied 42, we got 42 and by 3 product and is added to the product. Now 7 is added to 42, then what was the number? Just it was added, so we will subtract. It is become 35. We came here and multiplied by 5. They multiplied and we will divide by 5 and we get 7 with a certain number. Now this required number is 7. Okay, we just went in backwards. Now you do anything, you will get the same number. This 7, the certain number is 7. So 7 is multiplied by 35. 7 is multiplied by 5 gives you 35. Then it added 7 added to it. That means 35 plus 7, 42. Then the product and the sum is divided by 3. 42 divided by 3 gives you 14. Then 3 be subtracted from 14 and gives you 11. Yes, from 14 if you subtract 3 you will get 11. That means our answer is correct. Then required number is 7. Okay, very logical. Next example 6. What least number be subtracted from 7862 to make the remainder exactly divisible by 73? Okay, very good. Sum is given. What least number be subtracted from 7862 so that it is divisible by 73? Okay, now 73 and this is 78, So here we have to make the table of 73. 73 ones are 73, 73 twos are 146 is much greater than 78. So we will go with 1. 73, this is 5 and this is 6. 56 is smaller than 73. So we will put 0 here and bring 2 down. Now 562. Next 73 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. 73 4s are 4 3s are 12, carry over 1. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29. 73 into 5, 5 3s are 15, carry over 1. 5 7s are 35 plus 1, 36. 365, but it is 562. 73 into 6, this is 8, carry over 1, this is 43. 73 sevens are 21, 3 sevens are 21, carry over 2, 7 sevens are 49 plus 1, 49 plus 2, 51. 7 threes are 73, 8s are 3 8s are 24, carry over 2, 7 8s are 56 plus 2, 58. 584 is much greater than this. That means what least number be subtracted from 7862 to make the remainder exactly divisible by this. Now 562 is 584 is greater than 562, so we will go with 7 and it is 511. Or this is 1, this is 51. Now if what least number must be subtracted, what least number must be subtracted from 7862 to make the remainder exactly divisible by 73. Okay. Okay. Now what happened if we remove this 51 from here? Actually this is remainder. Now if we remember 51 from this side, then the remainder will be 0. Okay, so how much should be subtracted from 782? That is 51 should be subtracted from 7862 to exactly divisible by 73. That means exactly divisible by means that the remainder should be 0. Okay. So there are so many twisted words are there in the sum. So be very careful. What list number be subtracted from 7862 to make the remainder exactly divisible by 73. So this 51, if there were no 51, then that number is exactly divisible by 73. Okay, so the answer is 51. Okay, I hope you understood this. Next, example 7. What greatest number must be taken from 6, 7, 8, 3, 9 so that the remainder may be exactly divisible by 9, 7, 5. Okay, exactly opposite of example 6. Now 6, 7, 8, 3, 9. 6, 7, 8, 3, 9 is the number. Now what is the greatest number? There it was lowest, and here how much greatest number must be taken from this so that the remainder may be exactly divisible by 975. Now to be divisible exactly by 975, minimum number should be 975, that is 6, 7, 8, 3, 9. If you divide this with 975, 975 ones are, sorry, 975. Now this is 4, 6, 8, 6, 6. I should not write like this, but if you take away 975, this is what exactly divisible by 975, and if you take away 975 from this number, the remaining number, if you remove, now 6, 7, 8, 3, 9, if you remove this number from this 6, 6, 8, 6, 4, you remove this, then it is 5, 7, 9. This is 975. That means if you remove this number from this number, then the remaining is 975, which is exactly divisible by 975. That means the greatest number six, 6, 8, 6, 4 has to be taken away from this number so that the remaining number is exactly divisible by 975. As they said greatest, so minimum number to be we have to divide so that we get the exact divisible. Okay. Okay. Actually, this is very twisted. I don't know whether this concept is clear to you or not. Let me know. Otherwise, I will again repeat this with easiest way in the any new video or later part. I will upload new video with easiest method. If you don't understand this, next, what list number must be added to 7862 to make the sum divisible by 73? Okay, actually it is, we have done this exactly this sum in question number 6. Okay, where it said must be subtracted in question 6, but here said what list number must be added. Okay, what is that, what does it make any difference? Yes, let us see that 7862, we have to divide this by 73. 73 table, 73 ones are 73, 71 threes are 73, this is 5, this is 6, but 56 is less than 73, we will put 0 here and bring 2 down. Again this 7 we put there, 73 sevens are 2, 5, 1, 1. This is what we did in question number 6. Now that time it said how much to be subtracted. So we told in question number 6 that 51 to be subtracted, but here said how much to be added. Now with now with 511, if we add 51, then it is exactly divisible by 73. Now if had it been 73 instead of 51, then we could easily divide this without any remainder, but to make it 73, isn't it? Suppose there are 73 instead of 51, and then 73 ones are 73, and this is no remainder. Okay, but here it is not 73 but 51. To make 51 73, how much you have to add? Okay, let us give you a easy example. With 3, how much you should add to get 7? 4. How did you get this? 7 minus 3 gives you 4. In the similar way, 73 minus 51 gives you the number 2. This is 22. That means at least you need 22 number to be added with 51 or with 7862 to make this 7862 exactly divisible by 73. So that means the required number must be added is 22. This is the answer. Okay. The real sum begins from here. Very like very enjoyable sum. Now example 9. What greatest number of 5 digits is divisible by 315? Very nice question. Now greatest number of 5 digit is equal to 5 times 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But is it exactly divisible by 315? Let us check. 315, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now make a table of 315. There are many methods. Otherwise, we could do the the factorization also. Okay, let us do this. 315 into 1s are 315, 315 2s are. Let you all be comfortable with this method. Then I will improve the method, little short method. Okay. 3 5 first this is 999. Okay, so 352s are 630, 315 into 3s are 945, 315 into 4s are 6 12, 1260 is much greater than this. Then we will go with 3. That means 9 4 5. This is 4, this is 5, 9 will come down. 5 4 9, 1, 3 1 5, 4, this is 3, this is 2, and this 9 will come down. Okay. Now 315 into 5, 5 1 5 6 7 0 5 okay, 315 8. So we will go with 7, and it is 2205. This is 4, this is 4, and this is 1. This is the remainder. Okay. Now to make remainder 0, we have to remove this 144 from the main number, and if we could remainder 0, that means that number is exactly divisible by 315. That means we have to remove this 144 from the 5 digit greatest number, which will be exactly divisible by 315. That the required number which is exactly divisible by 315 is equal to greatest 5 digit number minus 144 is equal to how much? 99855. This is the answer. So the greatest 5-digit number which is divisible by 315 is 99,855. Now what you can do at home, you just check whether is 99,855 is exactly divisible by 315 or not. Okay, if it is exactly divisible by 315, then our answer is correct. If not, then our answer is wrong. Okay, next question. What least number of 6 digits is divisible by 219? Okay, now least number of 6 digits is equal to 1 and 5 times 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now total 6 digit. It should be divisible by 219. But is it divisible by 219? No. Then what number? We have to find that out. 219. 1, 2, 3. 100 is less than 219. So we'll take this 1, 2, 3, 4 up to this. That means 1000. Now make table of 219 into 219 into 2 438 219 into 3 is equal to 219 into 4 876 219 into 5 1095. Now 1095 is greater than 1000, so we will go with 4 and it says 876. Okay, 4 2 1, this is 0. 219 into 6 but 1314 is greater than 1240, so we will go with 5. This is 1095 5. This 0 is coming down. 1 4 now 219 into 7 6 1533 is greater than this, then we have to go with 6, which is 1314. Now this is 631. Now you just tell me, if there would be no 136, then the remainder is 0. To make remainder 0, we have to remove 136. Now if we remove 136 from this 5 least digit number, sorry, 6 least digit number, okay, then that the number is exactly divisible by 219, but there is a twist. If we subtract from 1 lakh, which is lowest but least 6 digit number, 136, then it is 4, 6, 8, 8, 9, 0, this is 9. Now see, if we remove 136 from this number, it is becoming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. But it is 5 digit, it is not the answer. It said the least number 6 digit, it should be 6 digit. But instead of 136, if we got here 219, then we could easily divisible it by 219. Okay, that means you should add some number with 136. You should add some number with 136 to get 219. How much that is the number? That is 219 minus 136, which is 3, and this is 8, 83. Now if we add 83 more with this number, that means that the whole number is exactly divisible by 219. Now if we add 83 with this number, this whole number is exactly divisible by 219. So okay, let us add 219 with 1 lakh, or least 6 digit number, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total. Now this is how much? 83. 3, 8, 0, 0, 0, 1. That means the required number is, required number is equal to 83. This is the answer. Now how many digits it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's why we should add here. We cannot remove this number. If we remove this number from here, it will become 5 digit, but we have to make it 6 digit. So 100083 is the lowest 6 digit number, which is exactly divisible by 219. Okay, next, this is the last question of this video. Now 7 men sit at equal distances on a bench 12 feet long. Okay, if 2 of them sit at the two ends, find the distance between 2 consecutive men. Okay, so there is a bench which is 12 feet long. Okay, so this is actually, let it be a straight line. So this is actually 12 feet. Now 7 men are sitting. Let's see, let us name them, or just let it be A. 7 men A, B, C, D, 7 men sit at equal distances on a bench 12 feet long. If two of them sit at the two ends, suppose A is here and G is here. Find the distance between two consecutive men. Okay. Now, from these 7 men, 2 are at the end of the bench. Now, how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, these 5 men are here, and in between them, between any two men, the distance is same. Okay, suppose this is A, here B, here C, here D, here E, there is F. Suppose here B, C, D, E, F are sitting. As this is 12 feet, so how many gap are there? This is 1 gap, this is 2 gap, this is 3 gap, this is 4 gap, this is 5 gap, this is 6 gap. So total 6 gaps are there, but it is 12 feet long. Now 12 feet divided by 6 gives you 2 feet. Now this gap is how much? 2 feet. This gap 2 feet, this gap 2 feet, this gap 2 feet, and this gap 2 feet. Okay. So therefore 12 feet distance between two consecutive men. Okay, clear? That means here is 2 feet, sorry, it is 2 feet, 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 it is 2 feet. Between these two, 2 feet. Between these two men, 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 2 feet. And between these two men, 2 feet. So 2 feet is the distances between two consecutive men. So this is the answer. So this is all for today. From the next video, I will be solving exercise 6 from 1. Okay. Till then, you do practice a lot. Thank you for joining. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.